Guys, I'll be teaching you how to ruch a skirt or a gown, anything you want to ruch. Yeah, I'll be teaching you how to do that. Now I have a band of 2.5 inches. This is 2.5. On this point here, you fold ½ inch. On this point, you also fold ½ inch, like this. You fold it all the way to the end and also fold this side ½ inch, then you iron it. This is the outcome. After folding like this and I iron it, I fold like this and I iron it, so we have something like this. So when you turn it to the back side, we have something like this. Now I have my skirts already. This is the inside of the skirts. You can see my chalk. This is the inside of the skirts. I have also hemmed the down parts. This is the crease line for the middle. Yeah, so from here I measured 4 inches on this side. Your ruch can either be on either side. It could be on this side or it could be on this side, depending on where you want to put the ruch. Now for this band like this, now you will now place it in between the dart notch here. Take it up so that you can trim it off later. So place it in between. Now after you do that, you can as well just rule a straight line down. So let's rule a straight line so that we can have our line. So from here we did 4 inches. This is the 4 inches. So guys, this is our 4 inches line. So you place your band in between the 4 inches. Just sew this middle line first. Sew it down. You trim off the excess, you don't need that down part. Then you now sew this edge here. You sew it and sew the other edge. That means you're having 3 lines here. The middle one here and one here. So let me do that. After sewing it down, this is what I have. Now I'll be trimming off this excess up here. Yeah, it's looking very neat on the front part. I have this rope. I fold the rope. You know how to do this now. So I have this rope already. You take your pin, you just pin it, push it inside like this. You can either start from here or you start from here. So what I will be doing, I'll be starting from the down part. Now I'll be pushing it in between one of the holes. So you're going to remove it. Now we'll be doing it for the second one. So the same thing we did here, you do it for the second one too. Now so we are done. So what you'll be doing is you will just sew here. I'm done using the machine to just sew it down. Now this is how it will now look like. So when you drag to your desired length, yeah, when you drag to your desired length like this, then you just tie this one and just tie it. Now this is how it is looking. So guys, I'm done showing you how to ruch your skirts. You can do this pattern on a top, on a skirt, on a gown, on a blouse, on a sleeve, anything you want to ruch. So you follow this pattern and you do that. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly subscribe to my channel, like this video and drop a comment for me if you enjoy it. Thank you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.